Falls is expected. Locations impacted. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a flash flood warning for Northwestern Zapata County in deep South Texas until 10:00 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:24 p.m. Central Standard Time, local law enforcement officials reported stranded motorists on Highway 83 north of San Ygnacio. Some locations that will experience flooding include Zapata, Medina, Las Palmas, and San Ygnacio. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The National Weather Service in Brownsville